नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम डॉक्टर भारत शर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पैथोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today's topic is viral carcinogenesis. Viral carcinogenesis. It has been estimated that about 20% of all cancer worldwide are due to persistent virus infection. Most of the common viral infections, including oncogenic virus, can be transmitted by one of the three routes. Horizontal transmission, commonly viral infection phases, passes from one of the another by direct contact, by ingestion of contaminated water or food, or by inhalation as occur in most contagious diseases, or by perinatal route such as by inoculation as happen in some viruses by interhuman spread and from animal and insect to human. And third is vertical transmission, when the infection is genetically transmitted from infected parent to the offspring. Viral oncogenesis general aspects support to the etiologic role of oncogenic viruses in causation of human cancer is based on the following: epidemiological data, presence of viral DNA in the genome of host target cell, demonstration of virally induced transformation of human target cell in culture, in vivo demonstration of express specific transforming viral genes in pre-malignant and malignant cells, and in vitro assay of specific viral gene produced which produce effect on cell proliferation and survival. Mode of DNA viral oncogenesis. Host cell infected by DNA oncogenic virus may have one of the following two results. Replication. The virus may replicate in the host cell with consequent lysis of the infected cell and release of virions. Integration. The viral DNA may integrate into the host cell DNA. The later event, integration, result in inducing mutation and thus neoplastic transformation of the host cell, while the former, replication, brings about cell death but no neoplastic transformation. A feature essential for host cell transformation is the expression of virus specific T transforming protein antigen immediately after infection of the host cell by DNA oncogenic virus. Mode of RNA viral oncogenesis. RNA virus or retrovirus contain two identical strands of RNA and the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Reverse transcriptase is RNA dependent DNA synthase that act as a template to synthesize a single strand of matching viral DNA, reverse of the normal in which DNA is transcripted into messenger RNA. The single strand of viral DNA is then copied by DNA dependent DNA synthetase to form another strand of complementary DNA, resulting in double-stranded viral DNA or provirus. The provirus is then integrated into the DNA of the host cell genome and may induce mutation and thus transform into cell neoplastic cells. Retrovirus are replicant competent. The host cell which allow replication of integrated retrovirus are called permissive cells. Non-permissive cells do not permit replication of the integrated retrovirus. Virus replication begins after integration of the provirus into host cell genome. Integration results in transcription of the proviral gene or progenes into messenger RNA, which then forms competent component of the viral particles, virion core protein from GAG gene, reverse transcriptase from POL gene, and envelope glycoprotein for ENV gene. DNA oncogenic virus. DNA oncogenic virus have direct access to the host cell nucleus and are incorporated into the genome of the host cell. DNA viruses are classified into five subgroups, each of which is capable of producing neoplasm different hosts. These are papo, papovirus, papovavirus, that is human papilloma virus, cotton tail rabbit bovine, virus, mice, and SV40 virus, monkeys, hamsters, and humans. Human papillomavirus cause cervical cancer and its precursor lesions. Papillomavirus cotton-tailed rabbit bovine cause papillomas and alimentary tract cancer. Herpes virus, Epstein-Barr virus, humans, और human herpes virus 8, Kaposi sarcoma herpes virus, humans, and Luke frog virus in frog, and Merkes disease virus in chickens. एडिनोवायरस हैमस्टर के अंदर हैमस्टर्स कॉज सार्कोमा. पॉक्स वायरस इन रैबिट्स एंड ह्यूमंस कॉज मिक्सोमेटासिस और मोलस्कम कंटेजियोसन पेपिलोमा. और हिपेडनो वायरस कॉज हेपेटाइटिस बी वायरस ह्यूमंस में हिपेटोसेलुलर कार्सिनोमा. RNA oncogenic virus. RNA oncogenic virus are retrovirus, that is, they contain the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Through all the retrovirus are not oncogenic. The enzyme reverse transcriptase is required for the reverse transcription of viral RNA to synthesize viral DNA strand that is reverse of normal. Rather than DNA encoding for RNA synthesis, viral RNA transcriptase for the DNA by the enzyme RT present in the iron virus. Our reverse transcriptase is a DNA polymerase and help to form complementary DNA. Then it moves to the host cell nucleus and get incorporated into it. Based on their activity to transform target cell into neoplastic cell, RNA virus are divided into three subgroups: viral host and associated tumor, that is acute transforming virus. Rose sarcoma virus, chickens में sarcoma. Leukemias, sarcoma virus, avian feline bovine primates, leukemias, sarcomas, slow transforming virus, mice, cat bovine, leukemias and lymphomas, mouse memory tumor virus, bittner milk factor, daughter mice, breast cancer. Human T cell lymphatic virus, HTLV1, humans, adult T cell leukemia lymphoma, and HTLV2, humans में T cell variant of hairy cell leukemia. Hepatitis C virus, humans, hepatocellular carcinoma. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.